Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Children, open your World of Letters book and open the page number 7070. Children, we already finished I 3-letter words in your phonic writing in your phonic activity book and as well as in your World of Letters book. Okay children, we'll be having second assessments from 17th December. So today onwards we are going to start the revision. This I'll take this comes under the revision part only. Okay, yes, let's start then. First write down the date. Today what is the date, Nana? Today 10/10/12/2020. Okay, this is comes under your classwork part. Okay, fill in the first, middle or last letter to complete the given word. Same I gave you in the revision, not revision, assessment syllabus only. So same like this only I'll give you in one bit, Nana. Okay, so practice like this. Not only I, same will be having for all A-E-I-O-Us. I'll give you same like this only. Okay, again I'll give the revision in notebook also, but before that we'll do it in the textbook. Okay, fill in the first, middle or last letter to complete the given words. Okay, yes, here we need to write the first letter, Nana. Here already they give second letter and third letter. We need to fill the first letter. What is this? Which letter will come here? What is this, Nana? Bib. Bib. Ba means B. Yes. Next one. What is this? Nib. Nib. What is this? Rib. Rib. R-I-B. Rib. What is this, Nana? Which fruit is this? Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Fig. Yes. Big. B-I-G. Big. Dig. Digging. He is digging now. Yes. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Bit. B-I-T. Bit. Lid. L-I-D. Lid. What she is doing? She sat. Sit. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. Zip. Z-I-P. Z-I-P. Zip. Okay. What is the first one? Bib. Nib. Rib. Fig. Big. Dig. Kid. Bit. Lid. Sit. Sip. Zip. Okay, now move on to the next page. 7171. Here also write down the date. This is also for your classwork part. Circle the correct word for the given picture. Yes, very easy. We need to observe this picture. Here we will be having two words. We need to circle the appropriate suitable word for the given picture. Okay, what is the first one, Nana? Here we already wrote now. What is this? Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Yes, circle this. Next one, what is this? Bib. Here we will be having bib, nib. Which is a suitable word? Bib. So circle this. Next one is big, fig. So big is a suitable word. Lid, kid. Lid is a suitable word. So circle this. Next one, my basket of A, E and I words. Look at the given pictures. Write the correct words in the given boxes. Here we will be having all A, E, I words. We already finished A, E, I words now. So here we will be having all three words are here. So we need to, so here we will be having one number. So in this one box we need to write the correct word for the given picture. Okay. Yes. What is the first one, Nana? What is this? Tap. Yes. Tap. Right? Tap in the box. Yes. Is tap. Like this. Next one, what is this? Second. Bib. B-I-B. Bib. So write bib in the second one. B-I-B, bib. Okay. What is the third one? Lid. L-I-D, lid. Okay. Fifth one, what is this? Oh no, before fifth, write the fourth one. Fourth number. What is the fourth one? Bat. B-at, bat. So, B-at, bat. Okay. Next one. Fifth one, what is the fifth one? Nib. N-I-B, nib. Okay. Next one. Sixth one. Den. D-N, den. Seventh one. Bed. B-ed, bed. Okay. First one. Tap, bib, lid, bat, nib, den, bed. Okay. Finish like this, Nana. Write down like this. Okay. Then after finish this, open your phonic activity book. Okay. In this, open the page number 3939. We already finished writing these words, this page 3737. Today we are going to do this. Okay, 3939. Here write down the date 10/12/2020. This is for your practice work. Okay, see. Here we need to observe the picture and we need to write the first letter. This I'll give you in your assessment. Same like this only. Okay, one bit will come like this. You need to write the first letter or middle letter or last letter. One bit will come like this and one will be like this. Write the first one. And one will be matching also I'll give you. And I'll see, circle the letters also. I'll see how. Okay, I'll plan accordingly. Okay. Yes, now write the first one. What is this? Fig. Write the first one, fig. F-I-G, fig. What is a fig spelling? F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Next one, what is this? Pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Write down neatly within the lines. Okay? P-I-G, pig. Next one, what is this? Wig. W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. Okay? Next one, dig. He is digging. Yes? So, dig. D-I-G, dig. Yes. Next one, what the squirrel is doing? Bit. B-I-T, bit. Okay. Next one, what is this? Kit. Medical kit. This is. Okay. Yes. Kit. K-I-T, kit. Next one, sit. S-I-T, sit. Okay. Next one, what is this? Pit. P-I-T, pit. Yes. Next, after finish this, let's turn the page. Turn the page 4040. Here also write the date. Sorry. Today what is the date? 10/12/2020. Practice. Okay, just this is matching, Nana. Very easy. Read this word and match it to the correct word. Dig. Where is dig? Dig is here. So just match. This is for your practice work, Nana. You need to do, but I am explaining now only. Again, if any confusion is there, again you need to wait for tomorrow. So I am giving today only. Fig. Where is fig? Fig is here. Okay, pig. Yes. You do it by yourself. If you will be having any doubt, then only watch the video. Okay. Next one, bit. Yes, here. Bit is here. Then kid. One more time I am saying, children, you do it by yourself without seeing. If you will be having any confusion, then only watch the video and do it again. Okay. Next, pit. This is for your practice work, Nana. Yes, sit. Sit is here. Yes. Next, circle the correct word. Observe the picture and circle the correct word. Very easy, na? What is this? Fig. Fig, dig. Fig is a suitable word. Circle. Very easy. We already learned These words na? Yes. What is this? Bit. Where is bit? Here kit is there. Bit. Bit is a suitable word. Pig. Pig. P-I-G pig. F-I-G fig. Pig is a suitable word. Yes. What is this? Sit. Pit. Pit. Here also write the date, Nana. I forgot to tell. Yes. What is this? Wig. W-I-G. Wig. Pit. Sit. Sit is a suitable word. S-I-T. Sit. Dig. Wig. Which is a suitable word? Dig or wig? Dig. D-I-G. Dig. Next one. Bit. Kit. Which is a suitable word? Kit. K-A-T. Kit. Okay. Like this you need to do this. Same you should practice, Nana. This will come here in assessment also. Again I will give the practice work in your notebook also. But you should practice. Meanwhile you practice these. Okay. Okay, Nana. Take care. Bye.